Rob, would you mind sharing a little bit about the evolution of the online world and the concept of what's most known as digital Darwinism and kind of the importance of having a digital first mindset? And then what can happen is Joseph can share his thoughts on that too. And then we can shift into talking about the importance of branding in the digital space, from an evolutionary standpoint. So Rob, if you could lay that foundation, that would be wonderful.
Yeah, well, the digital space has been evolving tremendously, but I think we've seen it really pick up over the last several years in particular, the last couple in particular. It really is becoming the place where business is happening first. So we talk about this idea of digital first business. And that really is what it's about. It's about business focusing on what their presence in the digital space is going to be as their primary priority, and then building everything else around that. So, and with this evolution, particularly catalyzed by the pandemic that we've been through, right? The consumer behavior has changed tremendously. And so the concept of digital Darwinism really is, if we think about Darwinism, right, it's survival of the fittest. So are you positioning yourself appropriately to be able to not just survive this transformation to the digital space, but thrive into the future?
Absolutely, absolutely. You really can't get around this digital first experience in a sense. And so Joseph, would love to hear anything that you have to share on that before we move forward.
Well, I just want to say that the future is now.
That's right.
It's important to make sure that you're fit. And what I mean by that in terms of digital marketing, you have to make sure that what you're marketing, the way you're marketing, and the way that you're putting your digital product before the public is in a fashion that the public can accept it, receive it, and move forward with it in the way that best benefit the client.